Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by making sure the phone has at least 20% battery and a stable Wi-Fi connection. Once done, restart the device and immediately boot into safe mode to see if a third-party app triggers the crash. While in safe mode, check settings right arrow date and time and ensure automatic date and time is on, because mismatched time often breaks Google Play authentication. Next, open Accounts right arrow Google and force a manual sync so you can confirm account credentials are current. Now you go deeper. Open Settings, Apps, then Show System Apps and locate Google Play services. First, force stop the app. This halts background loops. Next, clear cache and then clear storage or data to remove corrupt local files. This resets preferences but keeps your account. After that, open the Play Store and update Google Play services. If Play Store is unstable, sideload the latest compatible APK from a trusted source. Make sure the version matches your Android architecture and Android version. Finally, reboot the phone and check settings right arrow system update to install pending Android patches that often resolve service crashes. If the problem persists, remove your Google account and add it back. This refreshes tokens and can clear auth errors. As a last resort, backup photos and contacts, then perform a factory reset. This clears deep corruption. If after reset Play Services still fails, try installing an earlier compatible Play Services APK. And if that fails, contact Samsung support for hardware or firmware diagnostics.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.